If Microsoft Edge is hanging, freezing, or crashing on your computer, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that can help get Edge running smoothly again. These steps are simple, beginner-friendly, and they can solve a lot of common browser problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So if Edge is lagging, becoming unresponsive, or closing unexpectedly, stay with me and follow along step by step. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is stop Microsoft Edge completely. Sometimes the browser gets stuck in the background, and closing the window normally does not fully shut it down. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, look through the list of processes and find Microsoft Edge. If you see more than one Edge process, that's completely normal. Now right-click on Microsoft Edge and select End Task. This forces the browser to close and can clear out temporary problems that are causing the freeze or crash. After that, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Extensions can be useful, but sometimes one bad extension can slow down Edge or make it crash over and over again. To test this, go to the Extensions page in Microsoft Edge. Once you're there, turn off all extensions by toggling them off one by one. If you want a faster test, you can disable every extension at once, then restart Edge and see if the problem goes away. If Edge starts working normally after disabling them, then one of your extensions is likely the cause. In that case, turn them back on one at a time until you find the one that is triggering the issue. If Edge is still freezing, the next fix is to clear the browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored data can become corrupted or build up too much, which can lead to slow performance, loading issues, and random crashes. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, make sure you select Cookies and Cache, and if needed, choose the time range you want to clear. For the best results, clear the cached images and files as well as cookies and other site data. Then click the Clear button and let Edge remove that old browsing data. After that, restart the browser and check whether it is working better. These 3 steps solve a lot of Microsoft Edge problems: ending the task, disabling extensions, and clearing cookies and cache. If Edge was frozen because of a temporary glitch, a problematic extension, or corrupted browsing data, one of these fixes should usually help. If the browser is still giving you trouble after this, you may need to update Edge, reset the browser settings, or check for system updates, but these first steps are the best place to start. If this tutorial helped you fix Microsoft Edge, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.